Step 1. First, open your web browser and search for a free online file converter tool like CloudConvert or Zamzar. Step 2. Alternatively, you can type Free File Converter directly into your preferred search engine. Step 3. Once you've chosen a site, locate the Select Files or Choose File button to begin your upload. Step 4. Click the button and select the file you wish to convert from your computer's files or cloud storage. Step 5. Next, use the drop-down menu to select the desired output format for your converted file, e.g., JPG to PNG. Step 6. Some converters provide additional options, such as quality settings or advanced configurations. Adjust as needed. Step 7. Click the Convert or Start Conversion button to initiate the file conversion process on the website. Step 8. Wait for the conversion to complete. The time it takes varies depending on file size and server load. Step 9. Once completed, a download button will appear. Click it to save the converted file to your device. Step 10. Check your Downloads folder to find your newly converted file and verify the output quality.